Hi traders, in this video we will look on how to analyze economic events using a website called FX Blue. Staying up to date on market news and economic events is crucial for active traders. FX Blue has an excellent economic calendar built in. Let's go through how to use the FX Blue calendar. On the toolbar, click the calendar icon to open the economic calendar. This displays key events, data releases, and news. The calendar categorizes events based on their potential market impact using color coding. Red for high impact. Orange for medium impact. Yellow for low impact. For example, interest rate decisions and employment data are high-impact red events. You can filter the calendar to your currency pairs and time zone, just open the preferences. Click any event to see full details, including previous readings and forecasts. This info helps predict market reactions. Around major news events, lower your position size and manage risk carefully. Expect increased volatility and whippy price action. Use the FX Blue calendar to stay aware of all upcoming events that may influence your trading. An informed trader is a prepared trader. This is how you use the FX Blue free calendar so you never miss key events. Check it daily before you open any trades. Knowledge is power. I'll see you in the next video.